Hey guys, welcome to Genius Tool Pro, where I teach you how to really make money online because majority of us don't know how to make money online. We really struggle at certain things, how to get leads and sales and everything like that. Me being an expert when it coming to social media, I like to teach people the simple things, not the hard things. So we are talking about Genius Tool Pro. This is the first step that I personally do is I go to the tool, it says Genius Tool Pro, volume 1.4.5, and I want to show you guys a good way to start making money. Like, really start to make money on a thing. You got to do, uh, it's kind of like product research, but I'm going to say social media research. So, the first thing I like to do is to do the to do list and really have some goals through the week, then you can feel like you are doing something great. Like this week was build a new list. Very important. Build a new list, and you can have something to go after, like conversations and the whole 9 yards. And then I have a goal to help 5 people become customers, right? Because if you don't have customers, you don't have a business. Okay, that's very important. And my third step is send out 5 packages to new customers, more people inside of my product by product business, my other business that I have. Then go live 2 times a week. Okay, and I want to show you guys this because it's very important. That to-do list is very key because then you can go out there and crush your goals. All right. I hope you guys doing well. Drop in the comments. Tell me how you're doing, and then I can know how you're doing and where we can actually help you in so many different ways. Okay. And like this morning, I explained what I do in the morning, the structure that I do in the morning. It's very simple. It's very simple. I look over my CRM, I look at it, and I look through the people in it, and I just download a PDF. Then I have those people, then I know who to follow up with, right? And who I want to start a conversation with, and the whole 9 yards. Then I go to a bulk message. Then I write a message. I'll write a message. Hey, what's what's up? Okay. I said, hey, what's up? How is your day treating you? Are you crushing your goals this week so far? Then I choose a tag where I want to send that to. All right. So I'm gonna go did you know message, right? So it's gonna go down the list of did you know, right? People that I had conversations with before, and I just want to keep the conversation going, right? Because to take control of the conversation is very important when it comes to building leads. Okay, so I'm gonna send it out. I'll send it out. So it's going to go to Shannon at 4:36, and it's 4:34 right now, and it's just going to keep going and keep going, right? So now the next thing I like doing is I like going to the auto greeter. Okay, so I'm gonna clear this for you guys, and I'm going to let it go, be cleared, and then I'm going to auto sync it. Okay, and this is how you can start making money. You don't got to be a techie person. You don't got to be this person that knows everything. You just got to know how to say hello. How are you doing today? Right? Because, guys, all of us humans, people, we want to be known. We want to get to know other people. And if we don't, we are in the wrong space. Right? So if you go to like Walmart or you go to a store and you meet somebody, the first words you're going to say is hello to them, right? So I have this message template. It says, "Thanks for the connection here on Facebook. Hope you're doing great. Looking forward to viewing your content. How are you doing?" Right? I told them I hope they're doing great. Then I asked them how are they doing. Then that gives them room to actually tell me how the heck they are doing, right? Then I can know what type of person they are. Start building that rapport with them. Okay. So I got this new friend, Nicole, and I haven't sent a message to her yet. So I'm gonna send a message. First, I'm going to put it on connection to the lead gen. Then I'm going to send out the message. Okay. So I'm going to click on this tab to make sure it goes through. Boom. Awesome. It was sent. And so it was sent. So I am going to go to, because I I believe I sent all messages to all these people. So the next step is the engagement. Then I go here. Then I make sure I want to do this here. Boom. And I'm gonna go all the way down here. Right here, updated. Okay. Then I'm going to just start engagement. And I'm gonna check my phone, guys. Okay, I sent that message to that Nicole girl, and it was sent, right? Um, she says, "Hi, Rory. I'm well, thanks. How are you?" So we just built a conversation, right? And I sent that one message to Shannon, and I said, "Hey, what's up, Shannon? How's your day treating you? Are you crushing your goals this week so far?" And that's going to build another relationship, guys. It's all about building relationships in any type of business you are in. You want to build relationships, right? And you don't got to be great. You just got to be normal, right? So I get the engagement going on um, normally, but I'm going to do that later. So what I like to do, like last night, I canceled over like 1,000, 1,500 um, from 1,000 to 1,500 requests, and I'd be sending messages not messages, but I'd be sending out friend requests every day from 25 to 50 people. So since I have this tool, I probably generated about 2,000, 3,000 friend requests, and the people who don't accept it, hey, I just want to cancel them. So I'm going to start auto cancel. Okay, and then this is what you need to start doing. So I need to start doing this as well. I need to start planning out my posts, right? So I need to write tomorrow. Actually, I'm gonna start doing this. Is I'm gonna do 3 posts, and I'm gonna schedule the post. One in the morning, one at lunchtime, and one at around 9 o'clock. And I don't got to post, so I can just enjoy that freedom. Okay, and that's another thing. And we got this group one. I mean, I don't really use the group one, but if you have a group, utilize that. So, and an extra, if you're on Instagram, go for the IG liker. But we do have a tool coming out, I believe, and it's for Instagram. It's supposed to be really epic. And so that's what I do, guys. That's what I do. And, I don't got to spend all day on Facebook. I just got to do the top 5 things. And these things are going to start generating you money, right? So in the comments, guys, tell me if you guys are techie, okay? Because a lot of us aren't techie. I'm techie. right? I get things done. I follow instructions. Get told what to do. I follow that instruction and I kill it. That's why people call me one of the hardest working people that they know, because I get the job done. I don't complain like, oh, I can't do this. I don't understand this, because if I don't understand it, I'm either going to go to a person who does understand it, or I'm going to go to YouTube and really study it and master it. Okay. Because when you're building the funnels and email marketing and stuff like that, it's a simple process. But the thing is, most people overthink it. And that's the reason why they fail in business, because they overthink things and they don't want to stick with the basics. Okay. So, guys, that's my training for today of Genius Tool Pro. I hope you enjoyed it. Write in the comments. Tell me what you think of what I explained. Do I need to start explaining more deep detail? Let me know. God bless you guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Let's go.